This is going to be a brief overview of the Chamberlain Smart Garage Door Opener. This garage door opener is belt driven, so it is a lot quieter than the screw drive or the chain drive, and I'll demonstrate that in just a moment. One nice feature that this garage door opener has is a battery backup so that you can get your car out when you have no power. The garage door opener takes two 100-watt light bulbs. Here's the opposite side of the garage door opener with the wiring and programming buttons. We actually did install this on our own. We had never installed a garage door opener before, so it did take us nearly all day to do. We installed the rail and all wiring as well. If you can wire an electrical outlet or light fixture, you would be able to wire this, no problem. This is the wall remote of the garage door opener. The top button opens the garage or closes the garage. The screen displays the current temperature and time. You can cycle through the menu with the buttons, 4 buttons there. This is the motion detector that turns the light on and off, and the bottom button manually turns the light on and off. I will now demonstrate the sound that the garage door opener makes. It makes a kind of mechanical whirring sound. Now keep in mind, I did oil my garage door, but it is very old and decrepit. So most of the noise that you'll be hearing will be from my garage door rather than the garage door opener itself. The garage door opener also comes with a keypad for the outside of your garage. You simply open it up and program in a 4-digit code, and it will open and close your garage door right away. The only thing I do not like about this is that it is an ugly beige color and it looks sort of like an 80s big cell phone. It does not look very good. However, the function of it is very useful.